What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick video. This is, yes, another Decksavers video. Those guys have been very, very busy at Decksaver.com making new covers, polycarbonate covers for all the new DJ equipment and production equipment that's out there on the market today. And they keep making more and more covers because new equipment keeps coming out. So, case in point, the new Pioneer XDJ-XZ has just been released. We just reviewed this bad boy not long ago, and now they already have this huge cover made by Decksavers for the XDJ-XZ. So a lot of people have been wanting this cover since this has been recently announced. The sales numbers on the XDJ-XZ are doing very, very well. So Decksavers saw it fit to make this super strong polycarbonate cover, just as they do with all the other DJ equipment out there. And this time we're doing it with the Pioneer DJ XDJ-XZ. So let's just open this bad boy up and see how this covers it. So unless you've been living under a rock somewhere in the last 5 to 10 years, you guys know that Decksaver Covers is the way that we cover all of the gear here at the DJBooth.net lab, and many other touring and road DJs as well like to cover all their gear with the covers. Even if they have a touring bag or a touring type of case, they're still allowed to use these covers on top of the gear when they're putting it inside of a bag or when they're using it on the go in a case as well to give you that extra bit of protection. And of course the cases are also, or the covers are also perfect for when you want to cover your equipment and still have the equipment playing and still being used while still being protected against spills or dust and debris when you guys are out there gigging for the different parties and gatherings that you're doing. So we finally got this bad boy open. So let's see what we got. Really, really massive case here. It's one of the biggest Decksaver covers I can remember seeing to date. Again, it has a nice cool tint to it, so it's not 100% clear, but it looks very, very clear, and it looks really, really cool when it's laid out on your controller or your DJ gear of choice. So we're going to put this on here and see how it fits around the screen area, around all the faders, the buttons and knobs. It's completely down and encasing the whole controller. Nice and snug, just as with all the other Decksavers products. Right out of the box, it looks perfect. You guys can see this whole thing is protected on the top here, also around the back, except for where your connections are, because of course you want your connections to be free, so that way you can still use this and still have this bad boy powered on and powered up and rocking and rolling while you have the cover on there. So make sure you guys go check out the link in the top of this video description so you can see the different Decksavers that are out right now. This again is for the XDJ-XZ, very, very popular unit, and definitely going to be a very popular Decksaver as well. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up if you like videos like this one. Make sure you guys subscribe so that way you know exactly when the next videos like this are coming out. And as always, thanks for watching.